This is a new ATV ramp solution, which is called Latch and Roll. A new four-wheeler rack, and showing how easy it is to put on. And this particular model right here is for short wheelbase trucks, or long wheelbase trucks actually, which the ramps acts as a tailgate. And what he's doing right now is showing how easy it is to put on. And when these ramps are extended out, they're 7 foot long. They're longer than the 5 foot aluminum ramps. These are a whole lot more sturdier. They don't give, they don't slide. They're just a good ramp. And as you notice, that when he went up on these ramps, they did not bend. They don't bend like the aluminum ramps. They're just real sturdy. Now what you're going to do is folding it up. And what's real neat about these is that once you fold it up, it latches in place by pulling the pin, and it acts as a tailgate also. As you can see, this ramp is made also to pull bolts. That way you can take your four-wheeler, pick your bolt. This particular ramp has multiple purposes. Now you're ready to go. Go fishing, go hunting, go mudding, just whatever you want to do. You'll see how easy this thing is to pull. Letting the wheels don't do anything.
Great. You're a little off.
What's good about this ramp? It's so versatile that you can also use it to pull campers with it, no problem. This particular ramp is made out of good quality steel. It's made out of 1/4 inch tubing, and it doesn't give. It's just all around good. And you see it's just easy to line up. This is an all around ramp. See, it doesn't bother the ramp at all. Here's a set of ramps if you want to load up several four-wheelers to go on a camping trip or just whatever. You just load it right into your truck and without unhooking your big trailer. This particular set of ramps right here, if you'll notice, have guide rails, which for those who are a little bit skittish about backing out, they're just for safety purposes. But it makes it a whole lot nice when you're backing out that you got guide rails on it. And if you'll look a get closer, and you see that they're just a safety precaution. Here we're loading up 2 4-wheelers on a trailer, just going out to have a family day, and we just going out to have a good time. And if you notice, everything just real easy, just pulls real easy. Now we're getting ready to unload this 4-wheeler back out of the truck, right back onto the big trailer, just to show you how versatile this ramp is. And it just folds right out. This is a 7-foot fold-up ramp. Now you're getting ready to back out. As you notice, the ramp doesn't even yield. Just comes right on down. You got the guide rails just to make sure you don't come out. This particular set of ramps right here is just a 5-foot ramp, and it's made also to go in the back of the truck with your tailgate off. And this particular set of ramps right here, a different style, is a 7-foot fold-up ramp that is just strictly for 4-wheelers. No, you can't pull campers or boats or anything with it. It doesn't have a trailer hitch on it, but yet you can put your tailgate down, and when you put your 4-wheeler in there, your ramp acts as a tailgate. These ramps here is made for short extended cab trucks, has a short wheelbase, and that's, you let your tailgate down, put your 4-wheeler in there, and your ramps acts as a tailgate.